Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my December 2019 Boxyluxe unboxing. For those of you that don't know, BoxyCharm is a $25 a month beauty subscription service, and they would normally send you 4 to 5, sometimes 6 full-size beauty products. They now have a BoxyCharm Premium and a Boxyluxe that they've done for about a year or so. And so Boxy Premium, I believe, is $35, and that's a monthly. And Boxyluxe is $50, and you get it in March, June, September, and December, I believe. Don't quote me on that. It's just what I think. But anyway, so yeah. So before we start, I want to apologize for the glare if you guys see it in my glasses. I'm incredibly tired today. It's inventory week at work, and I've been doing nothing but counting all day. So I'm really, really tired. And my nails, if they're distracting at all, I just got them done, and I don't know how I feel about them just yet, but I definitely wanted a pop of color. But I don't know how I feel about them yet. I probably should have done them all red. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. So this is what the box looks like this month. And this is the ginormous card that they give you. And the theme is BoxyCharm Whimsy. And the first thing in the box is this guy. This is a daily hair wrap towel from the brand Daily Concepts. Just looks like this. And I'm actually really, really excited about this. I had been talking to Bill about getting me one of these for Christmas. And it's like a super tiny towel that you wrap around your hair. It's more gentle on your hair than a regular towel. It's super lightweight and super thin. When I was younger, my grandma actually bought us these, but back then they were like Turby Twists. I don't even know if they still make those, but I'm so, so excited about this. This is a full-size product, and this retails for $18. So I'm pretty excited about that. Next thing in the box, we're going to go with this guy right here. And this is a Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. And this is from the brand In Beauty. It says, helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin, filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. Wow, that's like promising. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like a jelly film. That's probably the oil that hydrates the skin. But anyway, this is a full-size product, and this retails for $32. $32 for 3.4 fluid ounces? Better be worth it. Next thing in the box, we'll go with this. And this is a Ciate London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. See, it's mirrored. You can see my whole life. And it just looks like this. Looks really, really pretty. It actually looks somewhat like the Hourglass ones. I've never personally tried those. Oh yeah, you can see it. It's like a really nice, light, like almost like a baby doll pink. Pretty subtle. It's like a nice buildable one, but it seems really nice, so I'm excited to try this out. This is a full-size product, and this retails for $26. Next thing in the box, let's go with this. This is the Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. Just looks like that. And this is in the shade Trooper Black. I do have one Kat Von D eyeshadow palette. I've been debating on whether or not I want to use it, just because there's a lot of controversy that goes on with that brand. Oh, this isn't a liquid eyeliner. Oh yeah, it's a liquid liner. I'm probably not going to open this. I was going to and swatch it, but I thought it was a pencil liner for some reason. I'm actually probably going to give this to my cousin. She's really good at doing winged liner, and I personally just don't ever use it. But anyway, this is a full-size product, and this retails for $20. Next thing in the box, we're just going to go with this big boy right here because it's taking up most of the space. This is from a brand called Cosmetics, and I believe we actually got like a face mask from them one time. Let's see. Oh, I know exactly what this is. You could also customize your boxes every so often, and you could pick a product. This was one of them, I believe. And this is like a body massager or something like that. Oh, it's a facial roller. Oh, this is heavy. Like this could hurt somebody. But it just looks like this. And it actually rolls. Wow. And is this is a facial roller. It says, this hexagon-shaped cosmetics facial roller is an innovative beauty tool used to improve the visibility of fine lines, enhance skin texture, and uplift fatigued skin. This is a full-size product, and this retails for $69. Oh my gosh. I will say, I love that this is purple because purple is my favorite color. But Lord, but this, I mean, this feels really, really nice. I have one of those jade rollers, and I stick it in the fridge so that it's like cool, and then then I could like rub it on my under eyes and stuff like that. But this, like, because it's metal, it's already cool, and so rubbing it on your face is actually pretty nice. Like, it's a nice feeling. And it actually comes with like a diagram of like how you can use it. Like, you can use it on your chest, on your underarms, on your legs, on your like on your back. So you could use this as like your whole body. It's a face and body massage beauty tool. It says it right here. So, I mean, I'll definitely try it out. You'll probably see it in an upcoming pamper routine. So be on the lookout for that. The next thing in the box, we're going to go with this. And I must say, I'm very, very impressed that they send a lot of skincare in their boxes. Like, they've been including a lot of skincare. Skincare can get so expensive. So to be able to spend $50 and get skincare products, like multiple skincare products, is actually really, really impressive and really, really cool. So anyway, this is a Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. It just looks like that. I believe I actually picked this too. It was between this and an Elemis like facial oil, which it was like rose scented, which is the reason why I didn't personally want it. If it was like non-scented, I would have chosen it, but it wasn't. So I went with this, and this packaging is actually pretty, like, it's pretty different, but it just looks like that. And let's see what some of the claims are on this. An anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, amino acids, plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. This is a full-size product, and this retails for $39. Next thing in the box, we're going to go with this guy. And this is a soy face cleanser from the brand Fresh. Just looks like that. Wow, this is really big. That's what she said. Anyway, so it says, this gel cleanser for all skin types has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying. For soft, supple skin, it's made with amino acid rich soy proteins, calming cucumber extract, and balancing rose water. Sensitive skin, it also soothes and tones. So, I mean, this sounds promising. This is a full-size product, and this retails for $48. And I mean, you get 5 fluid ounces, so Lord have mercy. This is seriously ginormous. Next thing in the box, we're going to go with this guy over here. And this is a Too Faced Rich and Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. Looks like that. I mean, this is beautiful packaging. It looks fabulous. I just don't know how much I would use this, like how much use I would get out of this. And so it's a waste for me to keep something and just to try it out, and then I can't give it away because I don't like to donate used lip products. So I feel like I should just give this away, unfortunately. I have a lot of makeup, you guys. I have a lot of makeup, and so I would rather somebody else get use out of this. And the very last thing in the box, which I did see a spoiler on, is this big boy right here. And this is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales palette, and this is in Little Briar Rose. And it just looks like this. It looks beautiful. It's literally shaped just like a book. I will say though, it is pretty bulky, but let's just open her up and see. These shades are gorgeous. I definitely want to use them in like a first impressions. This looks beautiful, and it comes with a nice mirror. If you guys couldn't see, it's right here. I just don't want to blind you with my lighting or anything like that, but this was a full-size product, and this retails for $21. And this guy is a full-size product, and this retails for $55. Holy cannoli, that's expensive. Let me just get my handy dandy calculator to add everything up. Oh my gosh. $328 was the retail value of this month's Boxyluxe. Well, of my Boxyluxe. That is insane. I paid $50 and got $330 worth of product. That's just crazy. But yeah, guys, that completes today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!